This is the In Good Health Journal, a one-year journal to help you restore your health. List all your health appointments here for the next 3 months. On the Daily Activities page, you can list and keep track of exercises that you do, water consumption, medication and supplements that you take, and even daily practices that you want to implement. On the Symptoms page, keep track of all your symptoms. The Numbers of Interest page is for listing daily numbers such as temperature, weight, calories, blood pressure, blood sugar, or even the quantity or quality of your sleep. The Graph page is for 3 areas that you want to create a visual assessment of your progress. The Gratitude page is to have you stay positive each day by writing down 10 things you are grateful for. The Notes page is available for any additional notes that you want to keep. At the back of the book, there are 8 weeks of food diaries if you want to detect foods that are not working for you or the quantities that create symptoms. This is the In Good Health Journal, the most complete health journal on the market today, now available on Amazon.com.